Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros at sa video ito ay i-guide ko kayo on how to pay Lazada Pay Later bill using GCash. Kung bago ka lang sa Lazada at ginagamit ang Lazada Pay Later sa shopping online at ituturo ko ang step-by-step method nito kung paano isettle ito bago mag-due date. Kaya stay tuned ka lang at start na natin. Ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-login ang iyong Lazada account dito sa Lazada applications and then i-click lang natin yan. So dito sa ating Lazada homepage, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down and dito lang sa ating My Lazada wallet at makikita mo kaagad dito yung Lazada Pay Later. So ang gagawin mo ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung view. And madadirect tayo dito sa ating Lazada Pay Later sections. Right, so makikita mo dito yung ating available credit and then yung use credit natin. And nandito na yung ating bill. So kailangan na natin itong i-settle bago tayo mag-due date bukas. Right, so bago tayo mag-settle, so pwede mo namang i-view yung items mo or makikita mo dito yung view details. So i-click mo lang yan. And then nandito na yung amount na babayaran natin. And then nandito na yung items. So pwede mo namang i-view dito lahat ng information details. So i-click mo lang yan. And nandito na lahat mga kaibigan. Nandito na yung order ID, product, merchants, time. And then yung loan agreement natin. Nandito rin yung ating Lazada Pay Later plan kung ilang months natin ito babayaran as installment. Pwede mo naman i-click yung loan agreement and then makikita mo lahat dito. Ayan, and then back lang tayo. So, ang next step ay makikita mo dito yung pay. So, itap mo lang yan. And then, nandito yung amount due and total amount. And dito naman yung amount to repay. So, nandito yung amount to repay natin. And then, next step, dito lang sa baba ay makikita mo dito yung continue. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then, dito tayo sa select payment method. So, nandito yung mga pwede natin pagbayaran like GCash, wallet, Paymaya, ayan. So, nandito yung mga option natin. So, since magbabayad tayo through GCash, and then yung GCash natin ay nakalik na dito sa ating Lazada account. So, isilik mo lang siya, and then next step ay scroll down ka lang at dito sa baba ay makikita mo dito yung Pay Now. So, nandito naman yung total amount, ito siya, and then click mo lang dito yung Pay Now. Ayan. So, payment success. So, pwede mong i-view yung order. So, click mo lang yan. And nandito na guys. So, okay na siya. And then nandito naman yung kanyang view order summary. So, pwede mong i-click yan. Alright. So, nandito yung ating order summary. And then yung shipping fee, transaction details. Nandito naman GCash via e-wallet mga kaibigan. Alright. So, ganun lang po kasimple kung paano tayo magbayad ng Lazada Pay Later natin using a GCash. And please don't forget to like this video guys and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.